Why does your hair start out wavy like this and then ends up going straight and changing into a fully straight texture over time? Well, I'm gonna break this down and try to make it as simple as possible for you to understand. So if your hair is starting off wavy, meaning that maybe your hair is very, wet or damp and it looks like this, you got a lot of curl and texture. First of all, when your hair is wet, it's the easiest time to style and manipulate the hair to look like something it's not. So when your hair is very, very damp, you can actually scrunch it and shape it and mold it to make it look like it's wavy or even curly. You can totally fool anyone because the hair's wet. You can shape it. Now, what's gonna happen over time if your hair, if you don't style it properly, if you don't use the right products, if you don't have the right haircut, if you don't do whatever you can to keep it to stay like this, chances are over time throughout the day, once it dries, it's gonna start to get more straight, and then there you go. Now your hair is back to how its natural state is, which is most likely straight, okay? If you have naturally wavy or curly hair, there's no way that it's gonna go from being wavy to straight, okay? Now, the only thing that could also happen is as your hair dries, because it's so long and heavy on top, it's weighing the hair down, so it's losing that spring and that bounce that it has and that manipulation you're able to do while it's wet as it dries and then starts to weigh itself down, and then it becomes more flat and more straight. So chances are that if your hair is starting off wavy, curly, then going straight, really reanalyze your hair texture to make sure it really is naturally wavy, and check and see if your hair is way too long on top, okay? I have numerous videos on how to make your hair wavy if it's straight. You do need the right products, something like my product Tidal Wave or Power Cream. You have to scrunch the hair. You have to put some effort into it. You have to use my blow dryer like this with the nozzle. And in the video tutorials I have, you'll see I scrunch the hair and I really work the hair to get it to stay. And this mannequin has straight hair. So it's more of like how to have straight hair and then go to wavy hair. That's really the thing here. If you want to go from wavy hair to straight hair, you can actually blow dry it. All right, you can blow dry it straight and then problem solved. But if your hair is going from this to then straight as it dries, chances are your hair probably isn't wavy. It's too long, you're not styling it properly, and that could be your biggest issue. So let me know in the comments below if you have this problem. And in the next video, all right, I'm going to show you a video on the topic of your hair is straight, starts off straight, then goes to wavy. All right, so that'll be the next video. So stay tuned for that tomorrow.